What's up, DAW coming to you live. We're going to talk about Reverb Pro. That's part of the Pro Pack for the MPC software side. So we're going to go dive in right into that now. And we're just going to take a look at this and how it works. Now, the way this looks on the screen is how it would look on the hardware. So it's their new Pro Reverb. We're just going to check it out real quick. So I'm just going to start bringing some sounds into it. I start off with a dry piano. We got that there, so let's just see how that sounds. You can change the size there. You can make the room large. You can turn up that decay if you really want it to hang out. Almost like it's frozen. You can make it mono, or you can change the output width, go wide, bring that stereo width in there. Tons of nice presets in there. So let's check out some of the drums on it real quick. So we got some drums right here, very easy to recognize, and we're just gonna bring some in that kit real quick just to hear it. Gonna slow down that decay. There's still a lot there. And we're gonna shorten up that decay just a little bit. And the cool thing that I like about this is that the pre-delay can be set to a tempo. So if I were to do a beat like, right, so I got a drum beat right there, so let me add some pre-delay to it, and we're gonna listen to that pre-delay and see how it delays the sound. You can hear it kind of, right, so let's play with that. And notice that the pre-delay isn't quite on beat like how echo would be. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that stays there. We're gonna add the quantization to that. Now it's in rhythm. If I want to bring it back some. And now it's on that note. So, you know, this is a pretty cool plugin. Also, you got the tail that you can adjust the dampening to. You also have an EQ if you want to darken it up a little bit. So see how we hear a lot of the high energy or the high frequencies on that clap. So let's see if I can just darken it. See how it darkens up? It darkens up quick, so you have to be very subtle there. And you have certain notes in here to make changes and all that good stuff. So I just wanted to let you hear it in action. Let's just click a random preset like chamber. But this actually sounds good. I hear a little bit of that thing, but claps can be kind of tricky. You got non-linear. I just like that it's native. The more native plugins that sound great makes it easier for the workflow. And the fact that this works on hardware too is great. So that's pretty much the review of this plugin. Let me know what you think. This is part of the Pro Pack. I'm glad they did some time or took some energy to really improve this so that it can give you a better, higher quality sound. Because honestly, real talk, I was using for Reverb on the desktop because I felt like it had more of a wide, more stereo filled, more wet reverb sound. This actually does have a nice premium sound, so it's definitely an upgrade to the rig. You're watching DAW T2K.
You've been watching DAW, producer, creator, and artist. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. His latest EP, Hard NB, is streaming everywhere. Get exclusive loops and presets at DAWT2k.com. Support the channel by using his Zounds link in the description.